I want to thank everybody who showed up to the live stream today. Man, it was awesome as always. And I wanted to talk about something because I saw an interview with my boy Charlie P on Fox News the other day, and then some clown that was saying you shouldn't be buying these meme stocks. You shouldn't buy AMC or BlackBerry and all of these other stocks because they're going to come crashing down and we're all going to lose all of our money and blah, blah, blah. Look, guys, I know that I talk a lot about how smart hedge funds are. I know that I talk a lot about how they're strong. They're not just going to roll over and die and hand us all this money. But it doesn't mean they're always right. Okay? Some people get the idea in their mind that just because somebody's in charge now, just because somebody's in the lead now, means that no matter what they say, it's the way to go. It's what you should be doing. That is absolutely incorrect. You should always question people who are on top. You should always question people who are telling you what to do and trying to keep you down. So, of course, that's what we're going to talk a little bit about in this video. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. All right, like I mentioned, my boy Charlie P was talking with some other clown that was telling you not to invest in things like BlackBerry and AMC and GameStop and all of these meme stocks because they're going to come crashing down. And if you look at the thesis that hedge funds have out there on the short positions and the long positions, why would you ever buy these companies long? They're not making money. They'll never survive. I mean, we've heard it all at this point. We have heard it all. Even if you're brand new, you've probably heard it all by now. How we're so dumb for going out and buying AMC and how the hedge funds are going to win and the stock price is going to come crashing back down. So let's talk about this just for 2 minutes because one, I kind of love to see these guys argue back and forth, and I think that Charlie's got a really good point. Now, I disagree on some of the stuff. I don't think that we should completely take shorting away. Yeah, it's a bad idea to short a company. You have unlimited loss potential, and your potential gain is only at 100%. So, in my opinion, let them take the risk. Let the hedge funds take the risk, and let's take all their money from them. I'm cool with that. I hope you guys are cool with that too. You know, they can get into some certain situations where they do some pretty stupid stuff and short more than 100% of a company, but I'm happy to take their money. I'm happy to take their money, and hopefully they're happy to give it to me because it's going to happen. So let's relate this back to AMC and what they're saying. Sure, the hedge fund, all these PhDs, and nothing wrong. There's nothing against a guy that's got a PhD and can see that AMC is not a good fundamental investment. I've been saying that since day one. I'm pretty sure everybody knows by now. If you've watched a video about what's going on here, you know that AMC is not a fundamental play. I can't stress that enough. I can't tell you guys, you know, I agree with them. I agree with all of these guys, all these clowns, all these dinosaurs out there running around saying, don't invest in AMC because its fundamentals are detached from its price and it's extremely inflated. We know. We know that AMC is trading at a ridiculous multiple of its underlying value. We get that. That's not why we're here. That's not why I'm here. I hope that's not why you're here. A short squeeze. I can't make it any simpler. The hedge funds have sold the stock. They must buy it back. We hold the stock and we charge the price we want. I can't make it any simpler than that. Now, it does get dangerous. I'll agree with all these guys running around thinking that, you know, we have no idea what's going on. It does get dangerous because eventually if people do sell off, the stock price comes back down. We get it. But tell me one company out there that has written blank checks on their stock price. The short interest is the blank check. That's why we're here. Now, I know the old guys out there. Getting old myself, right? I know there's a lot of people that are younger than me that watch this channel, okay? Now, I know the old guys out there. I'm still going to say it. I know the old guys out there like to play it safe. Okay, they like to think that, well, I might be able to hit a 3% gain this year, and I'm going to beat what I could do at my savings account. Therefore, that's good. I understand, you guys don't have time on your side anymore. Whatever it may be, you need to live the safe life. We get it. Now, the risk to reward on AMC, it's a beautiful thing. We can lose 100% of our money, but we can gain unlimited money. The hedge funds, now I know that not every hedge fund is shorting AMC, and I know that some hedge funds are shorting heavier than others. Hedge funds are in control of like $3.8 trillion. We can take that money from the hedge funds if that's the price we charge them for it. Now, think about that. You buy a couple shares of AMC, who knows how high it's going to go? Worst case scenario, that one dude, Lightfield or Green or whatever the guy's name was, everybody forgets him by now, that said it was going to go to a penny. Let's say that guy was right and you lost your share of AMC. Oh my goodness. Okay, you're risking 50 to gain 50,000. So we understand, I understand that we're not investing in the fundamental value of the company. Now, I don't understand what people's problem is, if they're just out there trying to deter people, because I really don't believe that they have it. I really don't believe they have your interest at the bottom of their heart. I really don't believe that they care at all about my money. I really don't believe that they care at all about your money. They don't care to watch you lose it. So I know there's an underlying agenda that they have. I know there's an alternative reason that they're out there on the media telling you that it's a dangerous thing to buy AMC or that you shouldn't go out and buy AMC. Guys, come on. Do you think they care if they take your money? Do you think they care if you lose it and they gain it? No. They care if they lose it and you gain it. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. They do not care about my money. They do not care about your money. They care, you got it, about their money. It shocks me that people use that as an excuse. We should worry about the retail investor. They don't know what they're doing. We need to regulate this more. We should worry about the retail investor. We need to stop them from buying AMC. They're going to lose all of their... I think it's funny, guys. Don't trust the media telling you that they care about your money. They don't. They don't care about my money. They don't care about your money. They care about losing their money, and they're absolutely doing that. So one of the guys in the live stream told me today that they've already lost. The short positions have already lost $4.7 billion so far this year. Perfect. They've got the potential to lose trillions of dollars if we continue to buy the stock and if we continue to hold the stock. Now, please do not think that this is a guaranteed thing. I know you've seen other YouTubers out there telling you that it's guaranteed to squeeze this week, it's guaranteed to squeeze next week, we're all going to be trillionaires. Look, I wouldn't be able to tell you, I wouldn't be able to sit here and honestly, you know, at the end of the day, it doesn't affect me if you lose your money either, but I can't sit here in good faith and tell you that it's something that's guaranteed. I can't sit here and tell you that you don't risk your money when you buy a stock, that you don't risk your investment when you go out there and open up a brokerage account and buy your stock. So yes, the risk is there, but guys, the reward is there too. And it just so happens that with AMC, the reward is unlimited. Sure, we're already detached from the underlying value of the stock, but we are absolutely soaring. They are absolutely losing money, and it is absolutely looking amazing for us. So plain and simple, thank you, Charlie, for arguing with that guy. Thank you so much for just, backing us up a little bit, that we know what we're doing here. We are adults. It's our money. We can invest it. We can risk it any way that we want to. And it just so happens that they're getting a little sour because they're losing a lot of money. Now, guys, if that subscribe button is still red, make sure to click it. And let us know down in the comments below. Do you really care if the hedge funds lose their money? If your answer is no, then yeah, they don't really care if you lose your money either. So don't fall for it. Let us know down in the comments below if you don't care that the hedge funds lose their money, because that's where we're at right now. We are gaining every single dollar that they lose, and it's looking great. There's a lot of links down in the description below as well. Make sure to check it out. Webull, all that other good stuff. Click on every single one of them. Just check it out. See what it's about. And yeah, until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.